everyone, welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. The second part of making braised shark fin today is to make broth. Ingredients include chicken, pork bone, lean pork, a small piece of ginger ham, dried longan meat, mushroom, yaoju. Dried longan is sweet. It also makes the color of the soup more beautiful. Clean the material, then boil the water to make broth. Clean up the chicken first. Discard the head and neck. Cut the chicken in half. Remove fat, blood stasis, and viscera. Cut off the tail. Excess fat is also cut off, otherwise the soup will be very oily. Cut the fat off the neck. Discard the debris. Boil the ingredients. Boil enough water. Put the meat in cold water. Ginger ham is very salty and smell. Must be boiled. Wash the scallops, mushrooms, and longan. No need to boil water. Skim off the froth. Otherwise it will stick to the meat and it will be difficult to clean. The froth decreases. Scoop them up. Clean up. Start making broth. Boil 3 liters of water. Add all materials, including lean meat, pork bone, chicken, ginger ham, washed shiitake mushrooms, dried scallops, and longan meat. After boiling, cover with a lid. Turn to minimum fire. Cook for 3 hours. Deal with it in 3 hours. 3 hours later, scoop up all the ingredients. These ingredients can be kept. Remove the bone. Tear the meat into pieces. Cut mushrooms into thin strips. Can be used to make a street food. Hong Kong-style imitation shark fin soup won't be wasted. Strain the soup. If you have watched the video of fried glutinous rice in the channel, will see this cloth. It is used for steaming rice. Use it to filter and it works really well. Even the oil can be separated. It is recommended to cook more broth. Leftover broth, seal it up and put it in the fridge. Take it out of the refrigerator to use when needed. Now put this broth, combined with the shark fin from the previous episode. Make a braised shark fin. For the method of soaking shark fin, please refer to the previous video. I used some of the shark fins as a demonstration. Steam it first. Don't break it. Otherwise, it will affect the appearance of the finished product. After boiling, steam for 6 minutes is enough. After 6 minutes, remove the shark fin. Pour off excess water. Thicken with broth. Add a small amount of old soy toning. Don't add too much, otherwise it will affect the appearance of the finished product. A small amount is enough. I think this level is enough. If you want darker, you can add dark soy sauce at your own discretion, but I don't recommend it too dark. This time I used Eagle brand corn flour to thicken the sauce. The taste will be smoother. Keep stirring. Slowly add the Eagle brand cornstarch water. Not too thick, as in the film is enough. Do you feel strange? I didn't mention seasoning, because gingerbread ham and dry scallops are salty. I just tried it. The taste is enough. If you want a stronger taste, add seasoning at your own discretion. Add a small amount of sesame oil on the surface. Make its surface brighter. Pour the soup over the shark's fin. Today's braised shark's fin is finished. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.